Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them hot clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Peter, for a long time no see in the viewers.
I tell you one serious thing, you know.
And there's a nurse that been eyeballing you, you know. I have a nurse that been eyeballing you, you know. So she's the one that she sent 2 packages, one for Leslie and one for you. So you see, I want to have on your name. So.
Yeah, man, I want to have Leslie.
No, that's are you. That's have on your name there, sir.
Yeah.
And this is Leslie.
Okay.
Her name is Nurse Jackie. You know, because Leslie is down there right now, so I'm going to leave it with you for whenever him come back, you know, you can sort it out. So, because we're on a quick rush.
I know,
I walk around thing, you know. So, she named Nurse Jackie, you can tell her time.
Yeah, man, Nurse Jackie, thanks and lots of respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Big up yourself and just stay safe
Every
from the
time.
COVID thing, you see?
Yeah.
And that we have to try though.
True.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Alright,
Nurse
thanks.
Jackie, thank you so much, Nurse Jackie.
No, can't come over here night. Oh, at 7 o'clock lockdown, you know, lockdown.
Yeah. Ice cream.
Special things is
Hello.
when a foreigner come down, they don't want.
No find the pastry.
Yeah, so you see, so why we don't want to talk about that?
So where's this pastry shop? Whenever anybody come around the place want to find a pastry shop.
4th Street.
4th Street.
College Street Drive where the chain is, don't it?
Yeah.
You see, that's a special mark that you know.
See train over there, sir. Right across on the train, and so we'll have baby outside. We'll have baby outside, you know the pastry shop. And go on. So Peter, you know go already.
Yeah, man, enough respect, man. Baby.
You know.
Baby, you know the whole of it. I want you to just show the little corner. You see it?
Live a little.
You know the little class, the one I'm
I'm creaming.
The sandwich.
Have a phone ring.
A pizza phone.
Time don't want something right now.
I eat me outside.
If Sam's never come.
This is a nice shop around here.
Paintbrush.
Let's get your camera out.
Very nice though. Yeah. The tea. Having a cup of coffee.
Give a different makeup. Smiley,
Tile.
cup of tea? Yeah, Smiley? You like a cup of tea?
Talpi, I do the tiling, you know.
Yeah, man, you know, respect the teacher, Teacher, man. Big up in a teacher.
I like the tile, you know.
Yeah, the tile look good, man. I like the color of the
Coffee.
Coffee, you know. Like
Blue Mountain coffee.
yeah, the real coffee, you know.
Yeah.
They look white and clear and nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
man.
Talpi is not only flashing, he's
Tiling.
also tiling.
Yeah, man, you know. Tile up wow chef place, that.
Yeah.
Yes, I give it a different look. You see Rasta Bum?
Yeah.
Yes, I
Run back some paint over there.
yeah.
Paint, I can't get the paint.
Yeah, run some
You can't get the paintbrush.
paintbrush. Get the thing up. Wash it. Put that away. Get the thing up there, wash it. Take the board this side. You see me them out. I mean, this is a talking project.
Yeah. I'm going behind the stove so where you see the irons, you can see.
Oh, wait a minute. Put it on the back of this.
Yeah.
Somebody come here, Zaire. Zaire.
So, under the stove.
Put up the tile up the same.
Him say not to cut it, yeah.
Now, forgot the teacher.
Yeah.
It's sexy though. I can't go tonight. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. 2 piece ready. 2 piece ready.
Like fire.
Touch your body foot.
Start me, boy, for watching too. I know. Even getting me
Me hear everything where you say.
Whoa, whoa.
feel like you're afraid to use the gum, man, Carl. Feel like you're afraid to use the gum.
No. Right at the extreme edge. That's that one, yeah. Alright, don't press out, man. Don't press out. Alright.
You have to put some on the board in.
So you see it. It's all about water, you know?
Yeah.
No, this is my come over, let's play it for him.
Okay, improve.
Carl, you come in.
Come in, Carl. You put this one. See that?
Hey. Zaire. Zaire. This is false.
Body cat.
Oh, the sticks.
Body cat. Body
Yes, sir.
cat.
Manners and respect, yes, sir.
Manners, you know.
Good evening, afternoon.
Except the one more step. Yeah. They don't know, say, our condolences goes out. You know, a lot of viewers call me, a lot of donors call me, because them hear about what happened with daddy passing away, you know. So all of them send them condolences, you know, towards the grandmother. Them really, it really inspired them the way they've been there for your grandmother, you know, been taking care of her. In the video when you say you know she's sick, you know, they know something really wrong. So it was really heartbreaking when them find out that daddy has been passed away. You know, and our condolences goes out deep, you know.
Yeah, man, manners, you know.
Yes.
To everyone, manners and respect to everyone. It's a breaking heart for me overall because she grew me. But you have to just take it step by step and deal with it. Me have to deal with pertaining to it.
Yeah.
And she lived long. Understand me? She go far away, which is 87. Because November, upon 1st of November, she'll be 88.
88.
You understand me? But I feel like she could have lived longer, to me.
Yeah.
But the doctor say, her time, you know?
Yeah.
So, I'm grateful for the doctor tell me.
And for the time we should
Yeah, for the time we should live. Like a lot of people know, right? A lot of people say, when I tell them say she alive, them I say,
Still alive?
Still alive, a lie I tell. You understand me? But my grandmother not really good. From she get licked down and her son say she no fit go sell and she no fit, she just she did so. From them now no like no record where she have it less. So she not really go doctor.
Okay, she not go doctor.
No man, she not go doctor. So it's like you find when she go doctor, they might ask me when she come doctor.
Yeah, so they have no record.
No record, man. The record with them have it new, man. 2 years ago, she go doctor, and she from she go 2 years, she never go back. She never been to a like one health center.
Never.
No man, she never been to no health center. Because somebody did say to me, you know, she just show me her work and I'm me alone. Me can't. As me get the time of it, say yo, never bring her to my health center. Doctor say she should go health center.
Oh.
So me now say me go take my leave.
Off work.
Yeah. Which is the week, yeah. Understand me? And go bring her because she should do a hip surgery and
Oh, so she has some work to be done.
she drop already, you know, so the drop when she drop and she come back and drop on the same side. So it come like it irritate that.
Back again.
Yeah. Then again we find she have a hole.
Yeah, so the hip kinda irritated.
Hip, yeah, no me I say, so me have to just do me after. Right now she gone most likely. We have plan to make she go down a month.
So you get a date already for the funeral?
No, date. Me and my mother try to deal with certain.
Yeah, because your mom should call me, you know.
Yeah, so no man. My family, you know. I'm not telling a lie, you know. Family them can't do what them supposed to do. We do question about certain things. Grandmother this. Them not do it. It's just my mother. My mother didn't have to do. But just my mother say certain things. Everybody I look on it did, you know, it take time. Take a lot of time.
It take a lot of time.
That man I say, I have to have patience. I have patience, I just have to keep. Because it have to have all the way, all more.
But as your mother say, you know, patient. So probably, you know, the funding I need a help on the other side because she alone now can, if she can do it. You know? If she can do it, then it's understandable.
General, now go on and everyone, you know, say, you love my mother. I know my mother can do it. You do it. But sometimes them go help. Say me not watch nothing. Anyway, when I get help, I'm supposed to take it.
Because there's no pride in it.
I hate no. You know, business anywhere I get it from.
Accept it.
anything at all. I don't watch nobody, them can't say this and say anything with them want to say. For them business, this is me.
Yeah.
Understand what I say?
Yeah.
This is me, I'm in business. I'm alone right now, so I have to make myself be a man up in our way.
Accept, say, you know.
Accept, yeah. I'm not stop work still. Because if I don't work, I'm off your work. From day one, I work, so that's why I want a better job.
Can more enhance the financial.
Yeah. And do certain things. Because I have to use them because I don't want certain things pertaining to me, use them, man. Different person do certain things. You know, I just need a better job. I get a better job, alright, we go on.
Yeah. But you know, at least you know, we would have definitely try to get some support towards the funeral, you know, because you know, people been touched by Dolly's situation when they realize that I put up the picture and say R.I.P. Miss Dolly. You know, a lot of people text and a lot of people calling, you know, and so she was such a darling because they know they inspired by her smile as well. And when she said, "You right," you know, when she talk, you know, them things that's like her smile, them things that put a lot of smile on the viewers' them face whenever she say that, you know. So it touched a lot of people out there to know that she passed away, and them ask, "What's the update? You know, how is the body cat doing? You know, when is the funeral?" You know, them ask all of these questions. So,
funeral now, I can't give a specific date because my mother had do certain things pertaining to it. As I say, I have a family member there. But them I say my mother, just so my mother done do. So she had do certain things already.
Yeah.
But me go through the process. One of them it not come through, it don't work out. But the next one, I have to get some papers to find things. But I say by next week, no, me get that paper there. I can go do what I have to do and get a percentage. And me get a percentage and come like say everything. Alright, we can set a date.
Yeah.
If still I go need look more help say me because me you know, me no want to put her down in the ground. Build a sepulchre.
Okay. To stay on top,
Because I don't want nobody tamper with her. Because her mother bury her Maypen. And them tamper with it. Where her mother bury somebody else is there. So when we build the sepulchre, we feel like it's better. So if them tamper with it, we can finalize, we can know that somebody tamper with it.
Yeah.
Understand? So I prefer it that way. That's my aim.
So what would be the cost for that type of thing there?
In a sense, HK, those two, because I be a family, I want to look somebody where know mama like, them know mama know them are reasonable thing. Nothing expensive. Understand me? Me have steel, me have black, so that one cement. But that to me certain things, I may have this, me have steel and me have black.
Yeah, so you don't want some cement.
At least that goes to work man money. You understand what I say? Deal with certain things. And that's it. You know see, as the church should be a road.
A road it there?
Yeah. As the church where she normally going, them here she pass her. So the pastor now say them we church I appreciate that. So I don't want to tussling with no church business
or anything.
Me just know if I go finalize now, go link the pastor, some church member, and finalize. Once me finalize the date, I just go make them know say that this is the date. Understand? You understand?
Yeah, I know every package, funeral package have a different price.
Me finalize a price. In a sense, just from my grandmother, two price.
Which is the price?
Two price now, 360, 230.
So you have...
Me take the 230, because I'm not pressure. I'm not really...
Okay.
No, I'm not really...
So one of the packages for 230,000 and one is for 360,000.
Yeah, but me know, I'm not really...
Pressure anything.
Because I'm a grandmother and mother the day here, maybe it should have been different. My mother not there. I love my mother.
know that, man.
Mother, there certain thing where I go on, certain thing where me I do, I wouldn't do it, I share it.
Yeah.
Maybe me I jump around for make the set up a certain thing, for go around, make certain thing. Like I call it, this, the way I call it, support can know me, they don't know, sister that I go on and.
Yeah.
But I'm alone, so I have to just take my time and do it. I'm not pressure, because my mother said I worry too much, but most likely, I don't want to get off of my head.
It's the funeral.
Yeah, that's mama, I'm just done with.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, so the package will take a 230,000.
Yeah.
You know, and you don't. People will definitely try to help CMA on this program, and no matter how small it is, we really accept it. CMA.
You know,
I will give thanks to the support.
Some people help me, you know, but it take time.
Take time.
Yeah, it take time. But as I tell you, say, you have to have patience. You know, yes. Understand me? So you know, we can get it from everyone, manners and respect. You understand me?
Yeah.
Heart of love.
Yeah.
Team. One team.
So as I say, no matter how small it is, from what one of them can reach out, we give thanks.
Yeah.
You know, because you already know, so them are going to want to play a part because Dali been in their life. Because remember, when anyone watch the program, it's like, everyone's like family to the viewers them, because this is what they said, you know, like watching people more than one time on this program, they get used to them, you know, them personality, you know, the type of person who them is, so them think they now make it feel like them is a family of the program. So when situation like this happen now, they're willing to help out, you know, no matter how small it is, they're willing to help out, and I'm praying and I'm hoping they do so, them can send a helping hand, and we give thanks we can put towards something, you know. I could have a beverage or anything at all what you can put towards.
Yeah.
You know, and you know, at least we try and ask them for a little support towards it. You know.
And next thing to the setup now, what we want to do, we don't want to keep the setup and we want to keep it early.
Yeah.
We don't want to keep it late.
But then again you have protocol curfew time.
Yes sir. Protocol, you have unruly people. We want to start, and my grandmother, we want to start at 4.
4.
To 6 like all them time, and we have holy time, as long as the place dark up, like everything done.
Yeah.
Everything done. I don't really want to have a certain thing at the end of the day to go. Because I'm a grandmother, I respect everything, you understand?
Yeah, I understand. Man.
I want to make it over quick and fast.
Yeah.
And dealt with it, you know?
So the only way we can get to that point is to get the package money, the funeral package money. That's when you can get a date. So that's why I say, well, we're going to need a support and that, you know. We want to try if we can meet you some way down the line. You see me? Because when you say your mama tried and you ever tried. So if we can try to help you down the line, it's still great seeing you,
give thanks, sweet man. Dear man.
That's what we really want to try to do. And we have some things here from Nurse Jackie from New York. So you know these things been in the barrel meant for Miss Dolly, you know, and she find out that Miss Dolly is passed away as well too, and she said we must bring it come see me and give it to your CMA, so give it to the grandson. This is what the message from Nurse Jackie, you know, because she been hurt and she find out that Dolly has been passed away.
Yes.
You know, and she watched and she liked Miss Dolly. This is why she sent all these wonderful package for Miss Dolly. You know, it's so sad to say she's not here to receive it, you know.
Manners and respect, you know, Nurse Jackie from the US.
New York, you know.
Manners and respect is a sad motion for me, also you, but I just have to keep myself strong and try move on. Alright, me give thanks for all what you said, but me go try to share it with me auntie. It no matter if it doesn't matter, because I two auntie me have. You understand? Charmian and Marley, so I go try to share it with them.
Yeah.
You understand? I make everybody feel good. You understand? I'm grateful for what the package, all the package that they send. Manners and respect. Nurse Jackie from the US, give thanks. One love. Thanks very much.
One
team. One team. non-stop. Manners and respect again.
Yeah,
It's
man.
Jackie. Love you. Yeah, I wish I meet you.
Yeah, one of these days.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because every dawn I'm supposed to come in a TrenchTown, you know.
Yeah.
And get to know how the place set up. Understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. You have good and bad. But we are showing everything we are showing.
Yeah.
You understand me? I show you the building, showing you everything, the road, showing you the trees, everything.
Yeah,
Telling you all sort of everything. What that is good.
Yeah.
Protection.
See there?
You understand? Building them. Cheddar. Manners, you know. Package them when we get now. Manners and respect again, Miss Jackie. I go share it between the two auntie them.
Yeah. Alright.
So me alone, so I have to share. Me alone. You understand me?
Yeah, yeah.
Heart of love.
Alright, then. Big up
Manners
yourself,
and
man.
respect, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Dream team,
One team.
one team, one team,
Alright.
nothing less. One team.
Every time.
Manners and respect, yeah,
Alright
Jackie.
then. Yeah, man. God
Kino.
bless you. Thank
Heart
you,
of love,
Jackie.
yeah.
Man. Thank you, Jackie. No, Jackie, for this. For Miss Dolly, you know. So sad to say that Miss Dolly is not here. Miss Dolly passed away, you know.
Yeah,
So,
Jackie.
sad moment.
Charming now.
Give thanks to
Yeah,
Jackie.
go
God
call
bless
her
you.
and tell her to come up here.
Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.